Dr. Barbara Bunbury's with us with a very special guest, a unique guest, right?
That's right.
We've got Maggie with us here, and Maggie and Dr. Bunbury are here to talk about equine therapy. Isn't that right?
That's right. So horses can be used in a variety of therapies and conditions, like kids with cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, people that have had a stroke or brain injury, or patients that have PTSD. And they can be beneficial in all of those situations in different types of therapies.
I realize I said Maggie's also going to talk about it, but Maggie's not Mr. Ed. So
no, she's just going to sit here and look pretty.
PTSD is actually a very important factor of how horses can help out people that are suffering, right?
It is. Horses are kind of hypervigilant to begin with. They spook very easily, just as patients with PTSD. And so when somebody's around a horse, if they're having a bad day, they're angry, or they're feeling a little withdrawn, horses mirror our behaviors. And so horses will react in a similar manner. And so it gives them that feedback of their behavior, and it helps them learn how to control their behavior and their emotions. And it also tends to help. They have fewer nightmares, they have less insomnia, and just a better feeling of contentment in general when they work with horses. Taking care of them develops a routine that creates a structure that's good for them.
Very therapeutic. Now, something else you also brought up that I didn't think about, they help with arthritis.
Yeah, so
people with that.
Especially people that have arthritis in their back or their hips. So when you ride a horse, it tends to decrease their back pain, and it also increases the range of motion, particularly in the right hip, because when you get on a horse, you always get on from the left side, so you have to swing the right leg over, and so it increases the range of motion in the hip. Plus, when you're on a horse, it's a non-weight-bearing exercise, which is ideal for people with arthritis.
What else is good for equine therapy?
They're good for just general physical therapy. So if you've got somebody that's trying to learn how to walk, when you sit on a horse, you use your core muscles, and so it helps strengthen that. But you also use the same muscles when you're riding a horse that you would when you're walking. And so for people that have to learn how to walk again, it can be very beneficial, and it can help strengthen their muscles, it can help increase their flexibility, and even increase their core and their balance.
Very nice. Maggie looks very calm, very ready to go, and just a nice horse to roam around a little bit if you need, because we also brought up great in 2020 for social distancing, right?
That's right. This is my favorite way to socially distance, and I just want to give a shout out to Phil Clayman from Camp Creek Stables for bringing her down for me today.
Fantastic. All right, Dr. Bunbury and Maggie, thank you guys for joining us today.